just to quickly show you this amazing chopper that I got off Amazon. Now, I want to reiterate, this is serious business. So anything you see here is very, very sharp. Do not put your fingertips or your palms on any of these. These are exceptionally sharp. They will chop vegetables like you wouldn't believe. It comes with this main unit here with a basket underneath to help you to separate any liquid. So if, for example, you're doing cucumbers or anything that's a bit juicy, it will help to drain off any fluid. And on top here, you've got your space for your various different devices. So you've got one for shredding, you've got one that's very good for things like nutmeg, parmesan, that kind of stuff. You've got your crinkly guy, so you can do crinkle chips or crinkle veggies. And you've got the one to do shredding carrots, particularly. This one's very good for, or if you want to make courgettes, zucchini noodles, you can use that one. You've got your crosswire ones, which will help if you want to make veggies, like chop up onions very, very finely. And then you've got finally your bigger one, which is very good for potatoes, for chippies or French fries. And then you've also got your spiralizer ones there as well, and you've got your hand protector there. Do use that if you are using it that way, because it's just not worth the risk, to protect your fingers at all costs. This is a very, very robust, like I say, it does mean business. It is a serious device. I've had it for quite some time now. I do big meal prepping days, so I will do like all of my onions, garlic, pepper, courgette or zucchini, all for the week. Chop it all up. If you want to do your tomatoes for making salsa, things like that, I will do all of mine in one big sitting and then put it into Tupperwares, pop it in the fridge, and I'm good to go. If you're making homemade coleslaws, anything like that that requires mixing, even things like breadcrumbs, it will do very nicely. You can spiralize your carrots if you want to do spiraled carrots, spiraled cucumbers. It will handle it very, very well indeed. Really do recommend it. Please do be careful. It is very, very sharp and very, very good. So really do recommend it. It's a fabulous product, and yeah, do get hold of it.